As of January 2026, no, you cannot officially disable the inactive timeout, often called sleep mode, in Fortnite. Epic Games automatically disconnects players after about 15 minutes of inactivity to optimize server resources. There is no user-controlled setting to change this. The timeout is an anti-AFK or away from keyboard measure. It prevents players from occupying server slots when they aren't actively playing. This helps ensure fair play and efficient use of server resources, especially important in a game with millions of players. The game detects inactivity based on the lack of player input. This includes actions like movement, shooting, building, or any other interaction that shows the player is active. The inactive timeout uses a 15-minute timer that resets whenever the player performs any action. As long as you're actively playing, the timer won't reach zero. This timeout feature applies across all platforms where Fortnite is available, including PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Even if you're just idling in menus or spectating, the timeout can still activate if there's no input for 15 minutes. There are no official ways to disable Fortnite's inactive timeout. Epic Games does not provide a user-controlled toggle for this feature. The end-user license agreement clearly outlines the rules regarding game modifications and account usage. Unofficial methods involve automating minor inputs through scripts or using third-party tools to simulate player activity. Warning: these methods violate Epic's terms of service and can result in account bans. It is strongly recommended to avoid them and play within the game's rules. Many players are unhappy with the timeout feature in Fortnite. Social media trends like #DisableFortnite timeout have gained significant traction among the community. Petitions have gathered thousands of signatures from players asking Epic Games to add an official toggle for the inactive timeout. Meanwhile, YouTube guides offer timeout avoidance tips, though these methods are often risky and may violate Epic's terms of service. Game designers argue the timeout is vital for game health, saving Epic approximately 20% in server costs. Player surveys show about 65% are frustrated. Experts suggest Epic could add a toggle, but it's a low priority compared to monetization features. High-profile streamers have been disconnected mid-stream due to the timeout, costing revenue and causing frustration. For example, during Fortnite's Chapter 5 launch, streamer Ninja was disconnected midstream, sparking widespread discussion. Some players have used scripts to simulate activity, risking account suspension. In 2025, a Reddit user shared a Python script that simulates mouse clicks every 14 minutes on PC, preventing timeouts. While effective, it resulted in account suspensions for some users due to Epic's anti-cheat system. Mobile users have tried apps to prevent background disconnection, which are often removed from app stores. On iOS, apps like Keep Alive were used to prevent background kills, indirectly countering timeouts. However, Apple's app policies led to their removal, illustrating platform-dependent challenges. Based on Epic's pattern of iterative updates, there is moderate optimism for a future toggle feature. This could potentially appear as a premium Battle Pass unlock or account setting in upcoming chapters. However, server economics and cost management considerations may keep the timeout in place for the foreseeable future. Currently, the inactive timeout persists across all platforms.